Welcome back, jelly beans. We are caffeinated and we are ready to begin our next look. It is going to be a secreter. I'm going to block my brows and then I'm going to paint myself yellow and maybe not my forehead because I want to put this on there like a little shell. Do you see the vision? Maybe not. You will. You will. So when I come back, I'm going to have blocked brows and then we'll just paint ourselves yellow.
Buy Brighton socks. Take Grace to...
So I'm putting these in my nose because I'm using a yellow airbrush paint and it stinks. I don't know what's wrong with it. I've bought 2 of them and they're this stinky smell. The rest of them do not smell like this. But if you have a recommendation for a yellow that doesn't stink, leave it below. Thanks. I'm just going to paint myself now. Okay. Now you're going to want to set this with a powder of the same color. And then okay, now I'm just going to start painting some stripes on my face and then on my chest, and then I'm going to do some eyeshadow and some contouring and a lip. And then I'll be back. Well, I'm not going to, you'll see. Now I'm just going to shade with eyeshadows, do a little contour, highlight, some eyeliner, lips, nose, and some details, and we're just going to speed through that. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I'll see you guys later. Bye.